We're going to turn now to Texas. A man charged with murdering his wife is asking to be released from jail pending trial. Now, a judge sets new conditions for Brad Simpson following his second court appearance this month. Court TV field reporter Cody Thomas joins us now with a debrief.
Good evening, Michael. Brad Simpson's defense filed a motion for today's bond hearing to modify Simpson's pretrial conditions. The news coming out of that brief hearing is that Brad Simpson will now be allowed to contact some of his 4 children that he shared with his wife and the woman he's accused of murdering, Suzanne Simpson. 2 of those children are minors, so we had to censor their names when spoken in court.
We have the 5-year-old on. We are not asking the court to change the no contact order that is currently in place. We're asking for a complete no contact order, no contact allowed.
Okay.
For who is 15, we are asking the court to change the no contact order to a no harmful or injurious contact order. However, contact with will be limited only to letters, and those letters will be subject to monitoring by CPS.
Judge Joel Perez ultimately granted those requests made by the state, upholding the no-contact order between Brad and his youngest daughter and allowing communication between him and his teen son through monitored letters. As for the 2 adult children, prosecutors say they wish to not have contact with their father, but they do want the right to change their decision in the future. Suzanne Simpson's body is still missing, and along with the murder charges, Brad Simpson also faces charges of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, tampering with a corpse, and possession of a prohibited weapon. In a recently unsealed indictment, it was revealed that Suzanne Simpson's DNA was found on an electric saw owned by Brad. Prosecutors say he knowingly tried to conceal that saw as the investigation was going on. Also earlier this week, Brad Simpson's longtime business partner, James Cotter, was formally indicted by a grand jury on charges of tampering with evidence and possession of a prohibited weapon as well. This comes after he posted bail on the same charges back in November. The judge also ordered no contact between him and Simpson during today's hearing.
You're in agreement with that?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, and the no contact also includes no contact with James Cotter, correct?
That is correct, Judge. We're asking the court to leave that in place.
And of course, we already know the court-issued gag order remains in place in this case in an effort to not taint the jury pool. Brad Simpson still remains behind bars on $3 million bond.